Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ATM. In today's video, we will take a look at this big falling wedge pattern, and we will also take a look at this key resistance as well and this symmetrical triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with this bullish reversal setup that ATM has formed on the 4-hour time frame chart, and I shared this trade setup with my members at the Patreon almost 3 days ago. And this was the formation of a harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move, and I told my members that from here we can expect a pump from $3.45 to $2.92. That was in fact a buying zone according to the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bullish guardrail move, and our sell targets were from $4.19 and goes to $4.98. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price line rallied exactly up to $4.98. That was more than 48% pump. And after this, the price line is moving here sideways. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, this is the long-term weekly time frame, then here we can see that ATM has formed this falling wedge pattern. First, we found this support here in the month of March 2021, more than a year ago, and we got rejected by the resistance here, and then we had several rejections and several bounces from these supports. And here in the month of May 2022, we had a fake out to the downside but recovered back, and we have re-entered this falling wedge pattern. Right now it is struggling to break out this resistance, and in fact this is the key resistance. ATM needs to break it out as soon as possible, and as soon it will break it out, it will also break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that previously on this weekly time frame chart, for several weeks it has been working as a support in the month of January 2021, and here again it tested the support in the month of Feb 2022, and once it was broken down here in the month of May 2022, it is working as a resistance, and again and again it is getting rejected by this resistance, and this resistance we have at $4.10. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame, like here on the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see since 15 July, it is making several attempts to break out this resistance, and the more it will try to break out the resistance or test this resistance, the more there will be chances for the breakout. And after breaking out this resistance, there will be a very high probability that soon it will also break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame, then here on the 4-hour time frame chart, ATM has formed this symmetrical triangle, and here we have a bit critical situation because we are testing the support more than the resistance. You can see that we have several touch points at the support, and we have 1, 2, and 3, and almost 4 touch points at the resistance here. Now, for example, if ATM breaks down the support of this triangle, then in case of breakdown, we can expect a move to the downside. Let me just show you first. The target to the downside is here. That will be quite down from here at $2.11, and right now it is moving at $3.94. And for example, if we will have a breakout, then we can expect a target at $7.54. That will be a quite big move from here, and definitely after breaking out this triangle, we can also break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well, because this resistance is approximately at $4.80 or $5, and we will also break out this key resistance as well. Now, for example, if it will be able to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, as it is considered to be a bullish bias pattern, and eventually it can break out this resistance, then our target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately here, because we have a very strong resistance here, and that is $34 approximately. Very, very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.